This spacious house is conveniently located just down the street from South Shades Crest Elementary, in a quiet cup-de-sac. With around 3,500 square foot, this house has ample storage and living space, including walk-in closets for each bedroom. The high ceilings make it feel even more open. The basement has been recently finished. The basement would be perfect for a teenager or a grandparent who wants a little bit of privacy. This home also comes equipped with a sprinkler system. The fenced-in backyard is perfect for pets or playing kids. There is a breakfast area as well as a formal dining room for family meals. Come see your next house.